Along with tech products and technology, carry items, being backpacks, pouches, or things that you just use to carry your items, has been an area that I have been extremely interested in for a long period of time. I've owned bags from Mission Workshop, Chrome, and Timbuktu. So when I got the Xiaomi Business Travel Backpack, I guess is the name, recently, I was really surprised. Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use, things like cell phones, tablets, and just kind of gadgets overall. If you're looking to pick up this or any other Xiaomi products, I will have links to GearBest, AliExpress, Banggood, and Amazon in the description, as well as the comment section down below. Also, I have a Telegram group where we talk about everything from Xiaomi products to custom ROMs to just general tech, and I'll have a link for my Telegram group down below. I also post exclusive deals or coupons that I'll get from affiliates in that group. Now, the first thing I want to get out of the way when talking about this backpack is that it's made with a very specific purpose in mind. And I would kind of say that this bag is like a utility item, the same way a toothbrush is a utility item. Yes, you could use a toothbrush to clean your sneakers, but a toothbrush's best job would be cleaning your teeth. In the same manner that a toothbrush is perfect for its intended purpose, the intended purpose of this bag would be for professional use or individuals that need to carry a laptop, possibly a notebook or a book, other tech supplies. And for myself, being an English language teacher in Vietnam, I have to carry my laptop, occasionally printouts for kids, the work that they turn into me, a water bottle, cables for my laptop for the projector and sound. So this bag is perfectly suited for my specific purpose, and it fulfills everything I need from a tech or travel bag extremely well. And I would almost say that this bag is kind of the perfect apex between function and form. So first, let's talk about the design of this bag. Now, the exterior of it is a very minimalist looking exterior. We have one outer small compartment for things like a passport, a wallet, or keys. There's some light padding to it, but I wouldn't say that it offers any protection. On the sides of the bag, we have these butterfly openings, and you're actually able to access these when the bag is on your back. I will often put my keys in there because I can still get to my keys when I'm walking home, or my wallet, and they're kind of out of the way, and it would be very difficult for someone else to access them on your back. Inside, we kind of have a mushroom shaped opening, and inside that opening we have a zippered compartment up top along with two kind of like pen sized compartments on either side. I put my pens in here and maybe like headphones or eye drops, and then in the zippered compartment I will often put either a cable or a chapstick, something else that I want to keep a little bit more secure. Now also on the back flap we have a secondary larger compartment. Now this larger compartment, they have a picture of drone propellers on it. I know that you can fit their drone in here, but this isn't a drone specific backpack. What I use this compartment for would be like a charger or a power bank, something that is flat, that doesn't really eat up into the internal space of the bag. And then we have actually a clothing cinch down compartment, or I guess you could use this for documents. But in reality, what I use this for is I will put my folded up basketball clothes, because I play basketball at work, and I will bring a shirt and a pair of shorts to work when I'm gonna play basketball later, because I keep my basketball shoes at work, and it keeps my clothing out of the way of all the other stuff in the bag. It's great. If you have a folded up shirt that you want to make sure stays folded up, you could put it in here and cinch it down with the strap and it would probably be fine. Now behind the cinch strap, we have another zippered compartment. In this compartment, I more often put kind of oh shit items, things that I don't necessarily need that often. I will put my phone charger and my phone cable, as my Pocophone F1 gets me nearly 2 days of use at work. And I will put like refills for pens, and I will be doing a review on the Xiaomi pen coming up, and just stuff that I don't need to access very often, maybe cough drops, I'll put in there. And then attached to the cinch down is a sunglasses or a like kind of soft lined pouch. I put my glasses in there and it's fine. It is a bit of a small opening, and I would have liked to have seen it open a different way, but for the price of this bag, and that's something that we'll get to, I'm pretty happy with the way it's engineered. Up top, we have a really sturdy grab handle that you pick it up with, and it's got like a nice kind of like neoprene or soft touch on the bottom. My only complaint is that it uses like a plastic shank or a plastic part in the top of the bag, and you can feel the outline of that plastic at the top of the bag. I would probably guess to say that this will be eventually a fail point of the bag, but I'm pretty happy with the construction of it. Now inside the bag, we have a laptop compartment with a very kind of low amount of padding, I would say. The laptop compartment is actually lifted up off the bottom of the bag a little bit. I would say maybe probably a ½ inch to an inch off the bottom of the bag. So if you put your bag down, the laptop's not going to be striking the floor. I have actually fit 2 laptops in this bag. I've fit my Dell XPS 15 along with my 13-inch work laptop that my school gives me, and I can fit both of those in here in the same laptop compartment fine. Keep in mind, I put my work laptop directly on the bottom of the bag or on the floor of it. In regards to like the harness system, we have a really basic kind of like air mesh harness system. I don't like air mesh. I don't like how it feels. It feels kind of cheap. But the straps, for the amount of weight that you have in this bag, is totally fine. The straps are kind of minimal. They're unassuming. They have moisture wicking on the back, and they hold the bag pretty comfortably. On the straps, we actually see the only piece of Xiaomi branding, which would be right here on the straps. We have kind of a plastic or TPU injected tag. And we also have a luggage pass-through. So if you want to go ahead and put this on your luggage as you're traveling, so you keep it off your back, it does that totally fine. Is this the greatest backpack ever constructed? No. Is this an excellent backpack for people that need to carry a laptop, maybe some documents, some books, or a change of clothes? Yes, it is optimum for that. In regards to the materials and the waterproofing, it rains a lot here in Vietnam. And there's 2 different aspects to this bag. There's the material that's used on the sides, which is like a, I don't know what the material is, but it's just kind of like a normal fabric. The material on the sides is not water resistant really at all. I've had this bag in the rain and water does get inside, but it's not that bad. It doesn't soak anything. And the material on the outer shell or on the back shell that extends to the bottom of the bag does have a like durable water resistant coating on it. I put this bag down on the bottom every time I go into my classroom. It gets a lot of abuse and the bottom is holding up pretty much fine. I've been using it now for a little over a month and a half. And the bag's starting to look dirtier, but the great thing about this color combination is that even though it is getting dirty, it is getting used, it doesn't really detract from the aesthetic of the bag. So if aesthetic, appearance, and presentation is something that's important to you, if you work in, let's say, an office and you can't be coming in looking like you're about to go backpacking, this bag is perfect and it fits all of those things excellent. If you're just looking for a general purpose tech travel bag and organization is important to you, this is also a good option because there are lots of compartments where you can put stuff and stay organized. So for those individuals that like to keep their contents organized for like daily carry, this laptop definitely does fit the bill. And I'm really, really happy with it. Now, I'm really happy with it for the price. And price is something that is always paramount when talking about Xiaomi products because they always seek to deliver a really, really well-designed item for a moderate price point. And this backpack is packed full of features in regards to organization and carry and protecting your tech items and giving you access to your tech items and the items that you may want. And the materials and the overall aesthetic design are really a lot more premium than the asking price, because the asking price for this bag is around 45 or 50 bucks, I want to say. So it's a pretty moderately priced. So for 45 bucks, you're getting a really, really well-designed bag with like lots of features, lots of storage. You're getting a bag that doesn't look like a tech bag, and you're getting a bag that's pretty comfortable to wear and use. So if you're looking for that bag to kind of be your carry to work bag and you want it to be relatively clean aesthetically, this bag is great. I will have links to where you can buy this bag on GearBest. It's 45 bucks right now. And I also have some exclusive coupons for my viewers, which I will have linked in the description down below as well as in the comments. Those are limited to 30 uses only. So if you're looking to pick up a Mi 8 or a Mi 8 Lite, I think my viewers get 20 to 25 bucks off on GearBest. So I'll have those links in the description down below. And till next time, guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. Peace.